Hello everyone. Today we are starting with a new chapter. The new chapter name is Calorimetry and it is chapter number 11 in your textbook. And today we are going to discuss these two headings. This is the introduction of the calorimetry. Now the first is the concept of heat. Now what do you mean by heat? If we talk about heat, so heat is what? Heat is the form of energy. Okay, it is a form of energy. Energy की एक form है. How does it flow? There are three methods of flowing of heat. Okay, there are three methods of flowing of heat. The first method is conduction. The second method is convection, and third method is radiations. We have already discussed these three methods in class 9 because class 9 में भी heat का काफी अच्छा सारा part है. So there are three methods of flotation of heat. The first is conduction. If we talk about conduction, so conduction take place only in solids. Conduction कहाँ पे होता है? Solid में होता है. Suppose this is the solid body, a rod or anything else. It consists of different small molecules. Okay, it consists of different types of small molecules. Now what happens when it is bring near the source of heat? Suppose we are heating it from here, then this molecule get heated up first. When it have excess energy, then that excess energy is transferred to second molecules. Then this molecule get heated up. When it is having excess energy, then this molecule transfer that energy to the other molecule, and in this way the whole rod will get heated up, and whole rod will get heated up by the process of conduction. Conduction take place only in solid. The second process is convection. In convection take place in fluids only. Fluid means the things which can flow. For example, water. Okay, water and air. These are what? These are fluids. Why we are calling them fluid? Because they can easily flow. So in fluids, suppose we are having a fluid. Say it is a liquid. We imagine that this liquid consists of different layers. Different layers में मैंने इसको divide कर दिया है. And suppose this first layer is in contact with heat source. First layer को heat source के contact में रखा. Then what happen? This whole layer will get heated up. After heating up, it's shifted above. पूरा heat up होने के बाद it moves from here. यहाँ से move करके ऊपर चला जाएगा. And the second layer will comes down. Then this second layer will get heated up. Then it moves up. Then this third layer will comes down. And in this way, the convection process is set up in this fluid. Okay. Now talking about the third process. Third process is your radiation process. In radiation, what happens? The heat transfer take place directly from the source. Means we are getting heat energy from the sun by the process of radiation. The atmosphere in between, or we can say the medium which is in between sun and earth, it do not take part. वो कोई भी role play नहीं कर रहा है. We are getting heat directly from the sun by the process of radiation. So these are the three processes of flowing of heat. How does why the heat flow? Heat flow because to equalize the temperature, you can say, or you can say to equalize the amount of heat. क्या करना चाह रही है वो? जो hot है, it is at higher potential. The body is at higher potential, means it is having more heat. The heat transfer take place to the body which is at lower potential. Lower potential means which is at low temperature. Now when the temperature become equal, when they are in equal potential, then its heat stop flowing. Means to balance the potential, the heat is flowing from one body to another. And what are the process? These are the three process: conduction, convection, and radiation. Now how does we measure heat? Heat को measure किसमें करते हैं? The SI unit for measurement of heat is your joule. Joule is the SI unit for measuring the heat. Okay, and we are having also the bigger units. The bigger units are calorie. Calorie is the bigger unit. The calorie is the bigger unit. So 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules. So this is the relation between calorie and joule. 1 joule or we can say 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joules. Now coming to the concept of temperature, agar suppose I say ke the body is 10 joules, so what do you mean by this? We cannot judge now. We cannot judge. I am only talking about the amount of energy. I cannot judge if I am saying the body is 10 joule, so it means that energy which the body is having is 10 joules. It means the heat energy which the body is having 10 joules. But I do not have any idea कि अगर मैं उसको touch करूँगा तो क्या होगा. So for that we are having the another thing that is called the concept of temperature. Temperature is what? Temperature is the degree of hotness or the degree of coolness. Okay, so if I say the body is 10 degrees Celsius, so I can judge by that के body का जो temperature है वो कितना है, means कि जो degree of heat है वो उसके पास कितनी है. By that we can judge. Okay, so the temperature is measured with the instrument called the thermometer, and this thermometer is calibrated in 3 different types of scale. The first scale is the Celsius scale, एक है आपके पास डिग्री सेल्सियस स्केल, सेकंड है आपके पास डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट वाला स्केल, एंड थर्ड है आपके पास Kelvin scale. Kelvin is the SI unit of measuring the temperature. Now if we talk about the upper fixed point and lower fixed point of this Celsius scale, the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius and lower fixed point is 0 degree Celsius. Means the total length of the thermometer is divided into 100 equal parts and each part represents 1 degree. Now when we talk about the Fahrenheit scale, so the upper fixed point is 212. Okay, 212 degree Fahrenheit and lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. If we talk about the Calvinist scale, lower fixed point is 273 degree Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. Means there are 100 divisions, each division represent 1 degree Kelvin, and here we are having 180 divisions and each division represent 1 degree. So this is the relation between these 3 types of scale. We can convert one type of scale into another type of scale by simple calculation. If you want to convert degree Celsius into degree say Kelvin, degree Kelvin में convert करना है, तो simply what we have to do, we have simply add 273 degree. means के lower fixed point कितना है 0 है, यहाँ पर कितना है 273 डिग्री है. अगर केल्विन को कन्वर्ट सेल्सियस को कन्वर्ट करना है केल्विन में, तो simply we have to add 273 degree, and on adding this 273 degree we get the proper answer in degree Kelvin. If suppose just उसका उल्टा करना है, केल्विन को सेल्सियस में करना है, तो in that case we have to subtract 273. So in this way we can convert the things into different scales. Now for today only these 2 things we are discussing. In the next video we are going to discuss, this is the introduction part. In the next video we are going to start what is specific heat capacity and heat capacity. So that part is very important. If you miss that part, you are not able to do the numericals. The weightage of this chapter is 12 marks. 12 marks के questions you will get it from this chapter. So for today, thank you very much.